So what home upgrades will increase your home's value? So when you're preparing your home for sale, you may be led to believe that, the more upgrades you make, the higher, you can list the price at. But however, we've learned that not all home upgrades are created equal. So to answer this question, we had to take into consideration the changes that have happened in the past few years, as homes were put through a massive reevaluation. In response to the pandemic, there are now certain features in a home that have become much more, attractive to buyers. In particular, there's 3 projects you want to take on. Number 1, can add more usable square footage. According to 2020 survey by HomeLight, the need for more space was among top reasons why folks wanted to move. Projects such as creating a home office, building an open floor plan, and finishing your basement can provide that additional space the buyers want nowadays. Number 2, increase your curb appeal. One of the best ways to improve your home's curb appeal is focusing on the landscaping, right? Make your home look, more enticing by adding healthy plants, blooming flowers to your yard. To make even more of a statement, if you can, slap a fresh coat of paint on the house's exterior. However, not all changes have to be big and grand. Sometimes small details like updating your mailbox, your house number will catch the attention of the buyers. And then number 3, upgrade your outdoor space. Functional outdoor spaces such as a deck, a fireplace, outdoor kitchen are now more valued due to the pandemic. So if your home has a nice exterior living area, buyers can imagine themselves enjoying the fresh air as they indulge in outdoor activities. If you already have an outdoor oasis, pressure wash or make repairs if necessary for a low-cost way to improve the home's value.